हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे नए वीडियोस देखते रहने के लिए मेरे वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए ये साइन सब्सक्राइब को अवश्य क्लिक करें। इसके बाद ये बेल के साइन को क्लिक करें। यहाँ इसको बॉक्स को क्लिक करने के बाद सेव करें ताकि आप नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे आपको मेरे नए वीडियोस देखने के लिए। थैंक यू।
Hello my dear students and friends, welcome back. It's a new video for you, and here we are going to talk about two words, daily and everyday. For actually we know the meaning of these two words is almost same, daily, everyday, but still some difference is there, and how we use them and where to use. And actually these two words have totally different meaning. Meaning is same, but use of them is totally different. Daily means the work which you do every day for a certain period of time. Daily means a work which you do every day for a certain period of time. But every day means the work which you do every day, almost whole of your life. Examples. डेली हम वहाँ यूज करते हैं जो काम हम करते तो हैं रोज एवरीडे, पर वो कुछ समय के लिए हम रोज करते हैं। एवरीडे होता है जो हम रोज करते हैं, मे बी फॉर द होल लाइफ, जो जिंदगी भर करते हैं। जैसे हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, if you go to a doctor and doctor prescribes you some of the medicines and he actually suggests you or advises you to take this medicine daily for 3 days. तो ये दवा आपको रोज लेनी है 3 दिन तक। तो उसमें डेली, क्योंकि 3 दिन तक आपको रोज करना है, हमेशा नहीं करना है। तो टेक दिस टैबलेट फॉर, लेट्स मेक इट लिटिल बिगर हियर, टेक दिस टैबलेट daily for 3 days. Take this tablet daily for 3 days means रोज जो काम करना है, पर means the work which you do every day but for certain period of time. Is it clear? I hope so. Next, don't, it may be negative, don't do this exercise daily for next 5 days or until pain goes off. Don't do this exercise daily for next 5 days or until pain goes off. ये एक्सरसाइज आपको रोज नहीं करनी, कम से कम 5 दिन या जब तक आपका पेन चला ना जाए। तो ये means the work which you do daily but for a certain period of time, तो वो डेली होता है। एवरी डे तो जो हम रोज करते हैं, आई टेक बाथ every day, I take bath every day. Why don't you take bath every day? Why don't you take bath every day? Why don't you take bath every day? So this is very simple use daily and every day. If you like this video, please like it and share it for others and subscribe to my channel to watch my new videos. And don't forget to contact me through my email or Skype ID if you think you want to learn English with me through Skype. Thanks for watching. Thank you.